Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Hi, today we are going to talk about the new Yamaha MT-09. We've had enough of 2020, but already there's a lot for motorcycle enthusiasts to look forward to in 2021. Yamaha is introducing an all-new MT-09. It's 8 pounds lighter, has more tech, and still looks like a cyborg but now more cyclopsian. The Iwata factory's popular Hyper Naked gets an updated engine, chassis, a 6-axis IMU to manage the electronics package, reworked styling, and more. So yeah, it's pretty much a whole new bike. The MT-09 features a crossplane inline-triple, but it's been redesigned to be lighter and more fuel efficient. Yamaha boosted displacement from 847cc to 890cc to increase horsepower, while reworking much of the internals to drop overall weight. Sounds like a good start. Updates include new forged pistons, fracture split connecting rods, crankshaft, camshaft, and crankcase. A new fuel delivery system, in which injectors are mounted on the throttle valve side rather than directly to the cylinder head, is intended to improve combustion efficiency. Yamaha claims an 11% improvement in fuel efficiency. Yamaha also updated the ride-by-wire system with a modified version of the accelerator position sensor grip (APS-G) technology found in its YZF superbikes. The MT-09 gets a big shot in the arm tech-wise, with the addition of a 6-axis IMU, derived from the YZF R1's unit. The IMU manages a host of electronic rider aids, including traction control, wheelie control, ABS, and slide control. A 3.5-inch TFT display accompanies the new technology suite. A standard up-down quickshifter further evinces Yamaha's efforts in giving riders a lot of bang for their bucks. On the chassis side, Yamaha developed a lighter delta box frame that has a 50% increase in lateral rigidity for improved straight-line stability. The MT-09 gets a fully adjustable 41mm Kayaba inverted fork and a Kayaba monoshock, adjustable for preload and rebound. In terms of ergonomics, Yamaha thoughtfully baked in some adjustability, enabling riders to rotate the handlebar clamps 10mm forward and raise foot pegs 14mm and position them 4mm rearward. Full LED lighting highlights the Montana's distinctive styling. From the looks of things, Yamaha touched nearly every element of the bike. Until we ride it, we won't know the extent of its success, but consider our interest very much piqued. One thing is for sure. Yamaha just upped the ante by giving a competitively priced motorcycle features you'd expect on more premium bikes. It's a little bright spot to look forward to.